Inoxking is the last reality acquired by D-Wave Group. Founded in 2013, it is recognized as one of the leading companies in the manufacture of tailor-made catering furniture for cruise ships. With its own production facility of over 18,000 meters squared, Inoxking is able to realize stainless steel food service fittings of many kinds. The expertise of employees makes it possible to create both standard and complex models, equipped with refrigerated systems made in-house. Another top business line of the company is the fabrication of doors for cabins and bathrooms on board. The weekly production reaches over 500 units. Inoxking's goal is to give shape to customers' needs, the shape they do prefer.